Hi everyone, my name's Emily. I am a product designer on the billing and subscription management team, and today I'm going to be walking through the process of manually renewing a GitLab subscription. So as I do this, I'm going to be walking through this from the perspective of the user and talking about, what things I'm confused by, what things are easy, and just really trying to get in the mindset of the user as I walk through this flow. So we're going to start 90 days prior to the renewal, which is when the customer would receive our first communication from GitLab about their renewal. So let's dive right in. So I'm a GitLab customer and I got an email from GitLab and I opened it up. And so here's what we're looking at. This is kind of a long email. There's a lot of information. It's saying that if my subscription is set to auto renew, I can do these things. But if it's not set to auto renew, I can renew it manually in the portal or contact the sales team. But also subscriptions on this transition pricing are not eligible for auto renewal. There's also a bunch more information down here. This email is really confusing. There's so much information in here. Am I on auto renew? I don't know if my subscription's on auto renew. I mean, it was a year ago. Did I set it to auto renew? I don't really know what to do with this. This is a really confusing email. I guess I'm just gonna log into the customers portal. I'm gonna click and go to the customers portal. So the first thing I see when I get to the customers portal is it's got this big alert at the top about authentication changes coming. It looks like the customers portal will soon require all users to use their GitLab.com account to sign in. I don't have a GitLab.com account. Can I still sign in? Let's see. Until this change, if you have a legacy account and use an email and password to sign in, you can still access your account. So it looks like I can still access my account. I don't really if your customers portal is not linked to a GitLab.com account, you should create and link a GitLab.com account. I'm not going to deal with this right now. I'm busy with managing my GitLab subscription. I don't want to deal with this right now. This seems like a lot of work. So I'm just going to access my account. This looks more normal, but now, gosh, I have not signed into the customers portal since last year when I purchased the subscription. What is my password? So I'm just going to try my standard password and hope that works. All right, I'm going to click sign in. And good, that worked. I am signed in to the customers portal. It's kind of a pain to remember my password for this because I really only use this once or twice a year. But luckily I use the same password for everything, so no worries. Okay, so I see my subscription. It looks like that's the renew button, but it looks like I can't do that. Oh. Okay, so it looks like the ability to renew will be available in a few months. So I guess I can't do anything right now. That's kind of frustrating. I got this email and I went to investigate and it turns out I can't actually do anything. That's frustrating. So I guess I'll just have to wait. So 2.5 months later, I see another email has arrived in my inbox from GitLab, and I open it up, and it looks like my GitLab subscription was scheduled for auto renew. Oh, so I was on auto renew, but unfortunately we cannot automatically renew your subscription because you may have unpaid seat overages. So I can either log into the portal and renew my subscription or contact the sales team and request a renewal. Okay, so this is clear. I was on auto renew, but there was an error and I couldn't be auto renewed, so I'm gonna have to do it manually. That's fine. At least I know what to do. And I'm more of a self-service person, so I'm probably just gonna log into the customers portal. I don't really wanna talk to a salesperson. I'm gonna click here to go to the customers portal. All right, and here I am at the customers portal. So I logged into this not too long ago, so luckily I remember my password this time. I'll go ahead and sign in. All right, great, I'm signed in and I can see my subscription here. And it looks like I can renew now, so let's go ahead and renew my subscription. All right, wow, this is a lot of information. Wow, okay. I thought this would be easier than this. There's a lot of text here. So okay, so I'm renewing my subscription. Can upgrade my plan. I think I want to stay on premium, but it looks like I could go to ultimate. All right, so new license. Okay, so this looks like it's the new license for the next year. Enter the current number of billable users or greater. Where to find this? Okay, I have to go to the admin area and take the number of billable users. Okay, so I guess I have to sign into my instance so I can find the number of users that I need to purchase a license for. This is kind of a long, overwhelming process, but at least it had nice instructions about where to go. So I'm going to go navigate to my instance, and I'm logged in, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the admin panel, and then go to my subscription. Okay, so here I am at my subscription, and I can see I need to pull the number of billable users. So it looks like I've got 32 billable users. So that's nice. I don't have to buy a license for as many. It looks like I had, my current license is for 36, but we're only using 32 right now. So I can go down to 32. GitLab version 14.1 or later required. Okay. True up. What's a true up? Okay, okay, so I guess I can use more users than are in my license. Okay, where to find this? Okay, so I need the number of users over license. Okay, I see that here. Looks like that's 8. I'll put that here. Alright, everything's loading. Okay, so I've got my subtotal. I have to, I guess, scroll up to pay here. So I can select a payment method. It's nice that it saves my payment method. That saves me time. I don't have to enter that, Saved it from the last time I purchased something. I'll accept, and I'll go ahead and say renew. I hope this is the end of the flow. That was kind of long and arduous. Oh, it looks like my subscription was renewed successfully. Okay, but I have to get my activation code. Oh, I guess it was also sent via email. Okay, so I guess there's more steps. So we'll click to get my activation code. Okay, here's my activation code. Okay, I guess this is how I get my subscription onto my instance, is I take this activation code. Oh, and it looks like there's some nice instructions here about how to activate my subscription. So it looks like I've successfully renewed, and I can go ahead and take this and apply it to my subscription. That's the end of the flow for manually renewing a GitLab subscription. Thanks for watching.